Hi friends, good afternoon. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Novi and my friend name is Indah Puspitasari. Indah and I intend to show procedure text about how to make butterfly origami. Which video we created is a procedure text. Previously, we are going to explain what does it mean by the procedure text. Procedure text is the text which suggests you or give information how to use something and how to make something. The function of the text to give information how to use and how to make something step by step. Good enough. Clear explanation from us. Now we will show you the procedure text about how to make butterfly origami.
The ingredient we need is origami paper. Now we are going to show you how to make butterfly origami step by step.
Step 1. Start with a square piece of origami paper. Step 2. Fold the paper in half by folding the upper left corner to the lower right corner. Step 3. Unfold. Step 4. Fold in half again by folding the upper right corner to the lower left. Step 5. Unfold. Step 6. Fold in the half again by folding the top half back. Step 7. Unfold. Step 8. With your finger, push down on the middle so that it pops in. Step 9. Bring the left and right creases together to form this triangle. Step 10. Fold the left corner of the top layer to the top corner of the triangle. Step 11. Fold the right corner to the top corner. Step 13. Fold the bottom part of the triangle up with a portion of the top corner showing. Step 14. Turn over. Step 15. Pull down the left flap of the triangle and the side will be forced to bend in, fold and flatten the side down. Step 16. Like before, pull down the right flap and fold in the side. Step 17. Turn over. Step 18. Fold down the top triangle. Step 19. Fold a good portion of the triangle back up, but leave some parts folded down. Step 20. Mountain fold in half. In other words, fold the left side under the right side. Step 21. Diagonally fold the wings as down. Step 22. Turn over. Step 23. Fold the other wings the same way. Step 24. Open the wings and you have a beautiful butterfly.
Okay friends, that's all about video tutorial how to make butterfly origami. Hope you can make the butterfly origami with the easy way. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.